Yo, what's going on, Dust Nation? This is Wild Rivers Part 2.
This is Wild Rivers Part 2.
This is Wild Rivers Part 2.
This is Wild Rivers Part 2. You heard it right, guys. This is Wild Rivers Part 2. Roll that intro.
Everything you want, just to put a smile on it. You deserve it, baby, you deserve it all. And I'm gonna give it to you. Gold jewelry shining so bright. Strawberry champagne on us. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like.
Last time we went to Wild Rivers, we had so much fun. So we decided to film it again. Unfortunately, we do not have Mac with us, but we have another friend going with us, so it's all good. Alright, Dust. I don't know if you guys can see me, but it's the night before. We're all gonna get some rest. We'll see you guys in the morning, and we'll go to Wild Rivers. Alright, boys, we got the crew. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Thought you taking a picture of this. Alright, boys, we're here. We're here. Alright, we're getting on Bora Bora.
Call Josh while we're going down.
Owen, you're filming. Owen, you're filming.
Why am I filming?
Yes, you are. You filmed last time. Owen, film.
No, Owen has terrible filming.
No, he doesn't. No. Film, Owen.
Mason, you know it yourself.
Okay, hi guys.
I'm trying to... What's up?
Justin,
I don't want to do
Mason,
this.
are you ready? I don't want to do this. Shut the hell up.
I don't know why you're scared, bro. We did it last year.
I know, I did it last year and I liked it. I didn't want to do it.
Yeah, why are you so scared?
Bro, like, and my first time.
Yeah, Justin. Okay, and? How many are you guys
Yeah, 5.
Five. Viable.
Justin, scoot over. We're gonna die.
Justin, you ready? I don't want to do this, bro. I don't want to do this.
Make sure you're holding on to the black tabs.
Hey, I'm not going backwards. I'm not going backwards. No,
I'm not going backwards either.
No,
Yes,
no,
yes,
not me.
yes, yes.
Oh, shit.
Here we go. Here we going.
Alright, build speed.
Here we go. We're building up speed.
Hey, lean to the inside. Lean to the inside.
We're building.
Jump on 3!
No.
Wait guys, jump! Right now! Jump!
We survived. Alright guys, we just got done with Bora Bora. That was actually insane.
I would have gone, but I just
I almost threw up. I deadass almost threw up, bro. I'm sorry.
I literally...
Can we go?
Alright. Oh, yeah,
Let's
Mason.
go, guys. Let's go, Dust.
Okay.
Oh, shoot.
Alright, this is a
toilet bowl.
chill little toilet bowl experience for you guys.
This is not chill.
Oh, shit. Oh, we're getting stuck.
Alright, let's get stuck. Let's try to get stuck. Let's try to get stuck.
No, because then they dive down and come and save you.
Yes, get stuck. Wait, we can't go backwards.
Wait, do you want to get stuck?
No.
Oh, shit, we're stuck.
We're stuck.
Oh, okay, oh.
Alright, go.
We're coming. 3,
Come on. Yes. Oh!
Hey, listen, I've got the bottom. Grab the steel handle. Like, can you hold on to those handles? Maybe if you need to hold your arm.
Yeah.
You ready?
Here we go.
Alright, good luck, big old shot. Guys.
Here we go.
Yo, what's up, guys?
Ah! Let's go.
It's not that scary.
It's not that scary.
Oh, I didn't see that.
I know, yeah, it's fast. It's fast, but it's not that scary.
Let me get this screenshot. Yeah, what's up, guys?
Yeah, what's up? Let's go. Oh, this is out. Shoot.
I don't know why Mason was...
Oh, shit.
Is it the rules?
Yep. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh, it's dark. It's not that dark actually, it's nice. Oh yeah. Oh shoot! Oh shoot! I think that was so unexpected. Oh again! Oh! My foot almost. Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Oh no! Oh no! Oh okay, not again! Okay. That was awesome. Ah! That was awesome. Yeah.
Yeah. Make sure you that full tight, right? Yeah.
Safety first.
Ah! We're going back like this.
No reaction.
Yo!
No reaction! I'm the Spice King! No reaction! No! Holy shit! No! Oh shit! I'm dying! Josh, oh my god!
Oh my god. Dude, Josh flipped over that ride, guys. Dude, I what?
Yeah, we're ready.
Let's go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So come on, pour, pour.
Yo, it's me. I almost died earlier. I'm just gonna do no hands.
Oh, no hands! No hands, no hands! Murph! Shit! Oh! Oh no! Get up! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh!
Oh my god. Are you still filming? Yes. Oh my god. Oh my god.
I kind of.
Oh, that was rough.
I kind of fell.
Yeah. Ready? Gonna Atomic Cat. Blah
I
blah.
was thinking 8 feet.
Because it's 8 feet. Okay. I'll go first because I'm filming. Here?
You know how to swim deep water?
Yeah.
Like, wait for him to do that. I'll tell you when. Alright, you're good.
Woo, we're going.
Oh no.
Woo.
Drop again.
Alright, y'all know safety rules?
Yeah.
I've never done this before. What? I've never done this before. So what you want to do is you're going to sit down and hold on to the handlebars of the wall.
Oh, we're going.
All right, here we go, boys.
Saving us. No, I'm back.
Here we go. Let's go.
Oh my god, shit!
Woo! I make it every time.
Oh my god!
I just got every time. I'm gonna go inside.
Freaking rice, boy!
I got it every time. I just got it.
Oh my god! Oh shit!
Mason, we're getting air time.
Oh shit!
I just got yes! Mason, I just got so much air time. Oh my god. Who's ready? Who's ready? Guys, let's go. Final weigh-in. 843 pounds. Murph, you added 200 pounds. No, I didn't. No, wait. Guys, I'm calling my dad.
No, don't call your dad. Oh my god, that's a terrible idea. Hey, Owie.
Hey, Owie. Alright, we're going down there.
Hey, what's up, Dust? What's up, Dust? What's up, boys?
Last ride of the day.
Alright, I'm like semi-backwards. Yeah, safety first. Yeah, Owen.
Safety hazard, Owen. Come on. Not my fault, though.
We'll make sure he stays safe.
Oh, no, I want to. Shoot! Shoot! It's always Murph! Alright, this is.
What the hell? What me? Oh, we're going. Oh, yeah.
Shoot!
Shoot! Get your elbow up my back. I got the lifeguard. Oh no!
Oh, no.
Bye! Oh shit! I'm getting out.
Mandy Keeps is? No.
Oh, he's a
very
geek.
famous. He's really famous.
Do you want his number?
Yeah, we know safety rules. We gotta chant Mandy Keeps. Oh yeah.
Keeps. All right, like
Mandy Keeps. Mandy Keeps.
Let go.
Ah!
Y'all know about the NFL?
Yeah.
Alright, and who's winning the Super Bowl?
Rams.
He didn't just start my ass.
I'm a Rams fan.
Hey,
I'm a Raiders fan.
Ravens.
I like Bills are winning.
Matthew Stafford's about to lead you to another wild card appearance.
Exactly. No, we almost won that game.
Are you guys ready?
We would have won the Super Bowl.
I'll
go.
He is.
No,
be back.
no.
I've
gone backwards this whole day.
Thank you.
Thank you. Mandy Keeps. Mandy Keeps. All right, Mandy Keeps. Mandy Keeps. Mandy Keeps. Oh shoot. Who farted? Who farted? Oh my God! No, Elliot, stop! Mandy Keeps. Oh shit! I'm stuck! I just got to red. Justin! Mandy Keeps! Alright guys, we're leaving Wild Rivers. How was the day? It was great.
It was a good day.
It was a good day. Okay,
Awesome.
Rivers, let's go.
Alright, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. We really enjoyed.
It was a great day at Wild Rivers.
Maybe we'll make another part if this gets
I
over.
might try to change up the group, add some more people, but yeah.
Yeah, alright, we'll try and get the whole group next time. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Peace out.
That's all for Mac.